crowd shouts loud, my heart beats fast. All the world thinks we won't last. Even score, we stand our ground. Never let our pride fall down. Cold stares fill the stadium. Hope lives strong inside us all. No one trusts our fighting way. Still we burn our fire every day. Run, break every cold wall. When hope seems small, draw the game, hold our pride. This is football's life. Rise through every hard tide. Stand with heads held high. Keep our honor safe and bright. We shine against the night. Heavy weight upon our side. Hard fate waits when matches end. We hold our spirit, don't bend. Strong beats drive our forward stride. Break fire never dies. No one trusts our fighting way.